Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow and your boss says, "Congratulations, we're doubling your salary." You scream, "Yes, I'm rich." Then you walk into a coffee shop. Yesterday your coffee cost $5. Today, it's $10. Your burger $12 yesterday, $24 today. Your rent, well, let's just say your landlord suddenly starts smiling a lot. Congratulations, you're not richer. You've just met inflation. Today, let's understand inflation in the simplest way possible. Imagine there's a small island. There are only 10 people, and every Friday, the pizza shop makes exactly 10 pizzas. Life is good. Everyone gets one pizza. Now imagine everyone suddenly receives twice as much money. Sounds amazing, right? Wrong. There are still only 10 pizzas. But now everyone wants two pizzas. The pizza owner says, "Looks like demand just doubled. So tomorrow, each pizza costs twice as much." That's inflation. More money chasing the same number of goods. Prices go up, not because pizza became magical, but because everyone suddenly has more money to spend. Inflation usually happens because of three big reasons. Number one, people buy too much. Imagine every person suddenly wants the latest smartphone. Stores sell out. People start offering extra money. Prices rise. Simple. Number two, things become expensive to make. Imagine chickens decide to go on strike. Egg prices rise. Restaurants increase breakfast prices. Hotels increase buffet prices. Your wallet starts crying. Number three, governments print too much money. Think about concert tickets. If there are only 100 tickets, they're valuable. But imagine the organizer suddenly prints 1 million tickets. Those tickets become almost worthless. Money works exactly the same way. If too much money is created without enough goods and services, each dollar buys less. So why doesn't the government just print more money? This sounds like the easiest solution ever. Need money. Print money. Problem solved. Actually, that's like trying to lose weight by buying bigger jeans. The problem didn't disappear. You just changed the measurement. When too much money enters the economy, businesses simply charge more. Soon, everything becomes expensive. Your salary increases, but your buying power doesn't. That's why economists say, it's not about how much money you have, it's about what your money can buy. So how does the Fed fight inflation? Now enters the superhero. Well, a superhero wearing a suit. The Federal Reserve. Imagine the economy as a huge house party. Everyone's dancing, buying houses, buying cars, ordering expensive vacations. The party gets too wild. Inflation starts rising. The Fed walks in like the strict parent. Music off, lights on, go home. How? By raising interest rates. Loans become expensive. People borrow less. Companies spend less. Demand falls. Prices eventually slow down. The party becomes calm again. Not fun, but necessary. Is inflation always bad? Surprisingly, no. A little inflation is actually healthy. Think about exercising. A little stress makes your muscles stronger. Too much stress, you get injured. The economy works the same way. Most central banks aim for around 2% inflation. Enough to encourage spending and investment, not enough to make groceries feel like luxury items. So remember, inflation isn't just higher prices. It's your money slowly buying less over time. That's why investors care. That's why businesses care. And yes, that's why your favorite coffee somehow costs more every year. If finance finally made sense today, subscribe to Apex Market Lab, because understanding money shouldn't require an economics degree.